Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. Laura, if you're new to my channel, Zena is here. She's the brown puppy dog, and Wyatt is here on Bug Patrol. He's the white puppy dog. We're so glad you're here. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. We do all kinds of subscription boxes, outfit of the day, and shopping hauls. So please do hit that subscribe button. For today, I have for you my Sips By box for August. I love Sips By. If you are a tea drinker, this subscription is for you. This is a monthly tea subscription. So you get 4 different teas. It's $16 a month, and it is enough for 16 plus cups of tea every month. Love. So I am drinking the Southern Breeze tea right now. This was a cold brew. I was skeptical because this is the one I'm drinking. This was from my box last month. It was a pre-sweetened 0-calorie cold brew, and it's in a blackberry. And I'm like, okay, pre-sweetened, I love sweet tea. This is not going to be sweet enough for me. Yes, it is. I did not have to add anything. Threw 2 tea bags in my tea pitcher, threw cold water in there, put it in the refrigerator overnight. Amazing. Amazing. All right, so I can't wait to see what they have in store for me for this month. You do get to personalize your tea, whether you want tea bags or leaf tea. You get to decide. This is a female-founded company based out of Austin, Texas, and it is a multi-brand personalized tea subscription. I do have a code for you. Yes, I do. If you use my code, which is TEALOVE, you'll get $5 off your first box. Okay, here's what I see. And you get to choose between all kinds of things. Like, do you want caffeinated, decaffeinated, mixture of both, green tea, fruity teas, black teas, whatever you like. So you can see right in here on my little card, it says made for me, personalized, love it. And it tells you all about the 4 different teas that I got in this month's box. It says, we hope you love your teas this month, Laura. We also hope you're out there taking advantage of the long, warm days with a refreshing glass of iced tea. There we go. Don't forget to share your tea adventure with us and post a pic of your Sips Tea By box to enter to win a free month. All right, we'll have to do that. Here we go. First up, I have a green tea. Here's what I see. I want to show you. Just the tea bags just come loose in the box for me because I did choose tea bags instead of loose tea, but I might switch it up. This is a high caffeine green tea. This is Nume organic tea. Yerba mate green tea and lemon myrtle, it says. It says, for the perfect cup, bring fresh water to a boil, allow to cool slightly, then cascade over a bag of mate lemon. Steep 3 to 4 minutes while the rainforest enlivens your soul. And for iced tea, you can steep the 2 tea bags cool and pour over ice. Love this. They do have many, many, many different brands, from Stash, Nepal, David's Organic, Pinky Up, the Republic of Tea, just to name a few. All right, so I have 4 of these. Next, I have Choice Organics. Oh, let me tell you what it says about that first, the Nume. This says, a legendary South American elixir. This infusion of organic Brazilian yerba mate, Australian lemon myrtle, and green tea unfolds into a lemon taste with a sweet, earthy undertone. Okay, so next is the Choice Organics. This is a Japanese green. It says it's a low caffeine. Japanese green tea is refined and lush, a classic that transcends time. This traditional tea uses delicate green tea leaves that are fresh in flavor and brew a tea rich in color. And it gives you the little caffeine level here in the back. So I have 4 of those. Here's my 4th one. All right, 2 more. What is this one? Mango Ceylon, the Republic of Teas. So this one says, high caffeine. This flavored tea is light, sweet, and intoxicatingly fragrant. Mango and sunflower blossoms are blended with superior black tea leaves to produce an uplifting cup. Enjoy iced or hot. I love fruity teas, so I love all of them, but I will look forward to this one especially. And my last one is David's tea. And this one says, whoop, I just threw that one on the floor. This one says it is caffeine free. So it says need to relax, release stress and anxiety the natural way with this organic herbal tea. It's packed with ingredients that take the edge off, help digestion, and ease the mind. Well, I could use that right now, so that sounds fabulous. I was looking at the ingredients. It has peppermint, lemongrass, hibiscus, rose hips, chamomile, valerian root with cornflowers, and natural peppermint flavoring. I love that. And that's all my tea for this month. What'd you think? I love the variety. So tons of variety by Sips By in the teas. Like, I'm getting to learn even more flavors than I even knew about, and I thought that I had tried all the teas. Apparently I had not, and I love them all. Chai, green, black, white, you name it. I love it. So this is giving me quite a chance to try several different varieties. I love it iced. I love it hot. So I'm loving it all. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. I will share all the information down below in case you want to give Sips By a try. And I so appreciate you spending time with me today. Please do share below. Have you tried Sips By before? What are your favorite teas? Let me know, because I might be able to update my profile and ask them to include some of those flavors. All right, Sina's excited here. I don't think you guys can see her. She is super excited about today's video, aren't you? So silly. Maybe she just wants on this side of the couch. All right, everybody, have an amazing day. Please do hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. And until next time, bye, everybody.